Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your UAE Pass account. So in order to delete your account, we first need to understand, can you actually delete your UAE Pass account or not? For that, I found the user guide here, and as you can see that once I type the delete option, it is showing me this query that can I delete my UAE Pass account, and it says no, currently the only option is to delete the application. So if you don't want to use UAE Pass further, you can simply delete the application and you won't be able to use it. However, it doesn't delete your UAE Pass account. So if you want to actually delete your UAE Pass account, you can try to contact with the UAE customer service executive. For that, you need to come to the official website of uaepass.ae. Over here, you can either click on this support option, or here on the home page, you will see the contact number of theirs. So you can either contact them on this number, or you can even send them an email. You can even fill out this form where you just have to select the feature, and then you just have to provide these details and provide the problem that you are facing. So here you can type that I want to delete my account, and the UAE Pass customer service executive is going to help you in this regard. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.